Ag Day is brought to you by Stein Seed. For more than 50 years, Stein has delivered the most advanced corn and soybean genetics available. Through relationships, data, and expertise, Stein has yield plus so much more. Discover Yield Plus at steinseed.com.
Meteorologist Matt Yurosavik joining us here with a look at our national map. And Matt, this is pretty zonal across the country here.
Yeah, we don't have any big dips in the jet stream, but that's going to change as we head through the next couple of days. Another storm system coming into the northwest. That's going to change everything for us heading into the weekend. That storm system that is going to come into the Pacific Northwest is well up there into Canada right now, just off the coast, but it'll be coming in as we head through the day on Friday and into Saturday. That's when we'll see more rainfall in a couple places that really don't need it. But watch this, as we head into the weekend, you'll see this little kind of ridge in the jet stream, and behind it, it's going to pull in some cooler air, and that's going to dip down into the northern plains there, into the Great Lakes as well. Could bring in some lake effect snow on the backside of that system that's going to slide through the Ohio Valley as we head through Sunday and Monday. And look how far south that cold air stretches all the way into Tuesday, right before Thanksgiving, dealing with very windy conditions, very chilly conditions all up and down the eastern seaboard. Then we get a little milder across the country, more zonal flow, but another system trying to form in the southern portion of the country, eventually making its way to the north. This afternoon, though, staying pretty mild across the country for this time of the year. 30s up in the Great Lakes region and into the northeast, but we're still dealing with 60s and 70s across the deep south, and 79 back there in Phoenix, very warm. And then the cooler air filters in as we head into tomorrow morning, where we've got 30s and 40s across the country, a couple 20s up in North Dakota there, and still look at that low in Miami, 75, very humid down there as that cold front still approaching the area in Miami. Then tomorrow afternoon, still looking pretty warm across the southern tier and chilly across the northern tier. Now, if we look at the precipitation across the next couple of days, what you're going to notice is not much going on across the country, because this is the storm system that we're waiting on. A couple inches of rain possible in the higher elevations there in Washington and Oregon. And then as that system comes out across the middle of the country, we are going to start to see the chance for more of that wintry weather as it moves eastward. So here's a look at snowfall estimates. Some of that in the higher elevations there in the mountains, which will help the drought conditions, but not help what we've been dealing with out that way. And a little bit of lake effect going on there as we head into the weekend as well. So right now, high pressure dominating the middle of the country, but that low, that system out there in the west, is going to make its trek across the country. And that's really the only player we've got right now. And eventually that's going to come all the way across and wreak havoc across the East Coast. That's a look around the weather, around the country. Now let's take a look at the weather where you live. Wattsburg, Pennsylvania, rain and snow showers likely, a high of 38 degrees. And then we head to Jacksboro, Texas, frost likely, and then sunny and warm, a high of 62 degrees. And then Spokane, Washington, high of 39, rain and snow showers likely.